DJI goggles. Live view sharing. You can share the live view from your goggles with friends. Set this up before takeoff or while hovering in locked state to ensure safety. Use the included USB-C data cable or your own data cable to connect the USB-C port of the goggles to your smartphone. Launch DJI Fly app and tap Go Fly in the lower right corner of the screen to enter the live view. You can also share the live view to other goggles. To start sharing, go to Transmission and select Pilot. Turn on broadcasting mode, and the device number will be displayed. To join the broadcast, go to Transmission and select Audience. Nearby broadcasting goggles will appear with their signal strength. Select the device number to access the live view. Switch to the Pilot submenu to exit the shared live view.